Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, we were testing something very interesting. Can AI real design a PCB for us? As a PCB designer, working with the professional tools like Altium Designer and EDA, I want to see whether AI platform can actually speed up hardware development. So in this video, I will test Celus as AI power electronic designer platform, and we will design the real circuit step by step. So I think like we have to test this Celus AI platform, and then we use ChatGPT. As the PCB design, we're spending a lot of time for searching component, reading more data sheet to make sure the component is fit on our design, a lot of things. So we have to use two tools, ChatGPT and Celus. Here I have Celus here, just is Celus.io, and then if you don't have account, you can go here on the star, sign in, and then you can sign in using your Gmail account. Just it is easy. Here I have account. So and then we have to use ChatGPT to creating the prompt. So when you open it, you see here they tell us what do you want to design today. Just they asking you which design you want. So let's move first, and then just like we ask AI ChatGPT to create prompt of USB power bank. No, let's like IoT home monitoring yeah. To ask Celus to create PCB for me, and then you see it's creating the prompt for us, and you have to copy and then what you have to do is the prompt. We have the title of the project is this one. You have to copy until here, copy paste, copy, and then you see the title of the project is low power IoT home monitoring system custom PCB. Of course I want to design this. The project description, how to design the compact low power IoT monitoring board, this one, and then you have this one, you copy it and then you paste here, right? Just you have to take the few minutes. You see here already the block diagram is designed. You see here is a USB connector, this is a battery, this is the battery management supply here, and temperature, and this is a microcontroller, and this one is motor. You see everything is okay. The next thing you have to do is the converting here. Solve, okay. If you want, you can launching this block diagram and the way you want, and then go there on the resolve. See here, I can look the bill of material here. You have to wait for generating the bill of material. You see, and let me close it. You see, they selecting all the complete. They say and they chose manufacturer where everything's good, and then when you go there with the output, you see we have the three ticks. So here I have to choose KiCad or Autodesk function or the Altium Design. For me, I have Altium Design. The way you have to choose the Altium Design, and then you see they're generating the PDF document for our project, and they're generating the bill of material, and then they're generating the package. You see, already the project is done. Okay, I'm downloading the photo. You see, it don't take long time. Already you can take. You see, the another time on the long time ago, we have to spending like 1 day or 2 days for selecting component. You're reading more data sheet, but right now with Celus, you see everything done. So what is the next? You see, here the opening, the already our PDF. They say the raw power IoT monitor home monitoring PCB project, and you see this one, the description of the project, and this is our schematic, the block diagram, and this one is a PCB. You see the schematic diagram is here, and this one is here, and then you look, this one is the connector, USB connector, and this is the raw power, LGO, SAM, joins another MCU. See this, all this one. You see the creating everything in the few minutes. Imagine the time we can spending for designing all those components. You see, it costs you a lot of time, but with the AI, it's easy. You don't need spending a lot of time right now. So here they're putting the bill of material, the description of all the component they use, and then when you go there, go to the download. You see, this is the file for the how to open it in the have to extract it first, and then go there. You see, you can open this file in the Altium Design, so you can open it, and seen how we have or do you have the project? Imagine if you're using the Altium Designer before, you know how can generating everything, you creating the microcontroller, all of this one. You see, you know the time you can expand. You see, now everything is connected, right? Even the thing we have to do is only one thing, is to loading, because this you can check the single view, say 2D view and the side view. You see, like 3D. We can look at the 3D view and on the thing, I think in the future they can adding the 3D model, but right now there is no 3D model for the component. But you see the everything here. Only thing you have to do here is routing. You see everything is connected here. We have the lot of schematic, and then updating the okay, and then when you go there, validate, execute change. Okay, you go to there. You see, then the thing you have to do here is routing on just on your routing. The Celus, they make the big thing for us. Which thing they make? So they make schematic for schematic diagrams, selecting component, and they make a component replacement. You see, every component there is placed there, and then they minimizing the role. You see, but here there is the rule. We have to changing this rule, and then because here we're seeing there's the error for the less than 10 millimeter, just to have to change. That's only the thing I have to change, and then pull out thing, and then we finish. I think this AI tool can speed up our job as the PCB design. So if you think you learned something for this video, don't forget to subscribe.